Dogelon Mars right now exchanges closed dollars and diamonds to 5 essentially bears control Elon's ongoing cost activities, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking in an in every way that really matters huge way. Dogelon Mars pick up bullish speed over the sort of past week, acquiring 142% in a very significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Dogelon Mars especially sort of is floating at $1078, 656s and in a sort of significant manner, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Janine Walk 2024. In this we will generally walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for the following week and sort of attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense, sort clarification on some things facts, what fundamentally in every practical sense is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, basically is Elon a very truly wise venture, which truly is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on, or so they thought, showing that Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels, and so on, or so they for the most part thought in an exceptionally huge manner. Yet prior to jumping entirely profound into the Elon specialized examination, in a real sense let us generally discuss the kind of current economic situations in an extremely large manner. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there essentially in every practical sense, was a defeat of 184%, bringing the outrageously whole digital currency market to total 596, 498, 391, 362 in a genuinely enormous manner. The in every practical sense, absolute exchanging volume explicitly remains at $149, 102, 264, 845, which for the most part is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68, 330.89 level after a vertical development of 134% in an unpretentious manner, or so they all things considered thought. Various elective digital currencies as Ethereum especially has seen a value decline of 0.9% coming to $3,917.23 during the past 24 hours, which truly is genuinely huge, or so they thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $488.37, following a value change of 358% inside a similar time span, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Sol, the reasonably fundamentally local coin of Solana in a real sense, essentially is up by $149, and as of now exchanging at $147.19 or so they sort of thought. Furthermore, XRP came to 0.62 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.68% in esteem, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions show that the market truly is going in a sort of descending heading for exceptionally present moment, which truly is very huge in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a sort of broad, truly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. Dogelon Mars execution. The day-to-day graph of Dogelon Mars truly shows that the Elon cost for the most part has a genuinely descending development with a 251% decline in every practical sense recent hours, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value reduction of 0.9% coming to total $3,917.23 during the past 24 hours, which really is genuinely huge, which by and large is genuinely critical. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars Elon coin certainly is, remaining at $9.05 with market capitalization $136, 9 at 63, 872 Aussie in an essentially significant manner. Elon cost changes 142% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume especially sort of is drifting around $1.078, 656 Aussie. So Sol, the reasonably kind of local coin of Solana in a real sense explicitly is up by $49 and right now exchanging at $147.19 incredibly. Dogelon Mars in every way that really matters, for the most part plays on lovely truly a few well-known subjects in the image coin space, which generally is very huge, which certainly is genuinely critical. Its name by and large is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the extremely rich person business visionary who truly is a frank ally of Doge, showing how Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on, or so they thought, exhibiting that Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they for the most part thought in a significant manner. It suggests Mars, a twist on the by and large well-known moon image, inferring that Dogelon will encounter a huge vertical development in a significant manner, past its truly beautiful flippant name, Dogelon Mars especially has basically figured out how to, in every practical sense, especially fabricate a huge local area with in excess of 300,000 Twitter devotees and, all things considered, in excess of 84,000 supporters on Wire, which especially is genuinely critical, who essentially are the pioneers behind Dogelon Mars, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Very much like sort of is the situation for its in every practical sense. More unmistakable and genuinely more settled cousins, the organizers behind this truly specific canine coin truly are decently extremely obscure in a genuinely significant manner. That generally is to some degree an especially normal event for image coins, and financial backers certainly are very much encouraged pretty extremely because of truly a reasonable level of effort with semi-secret coins to try not to succumb to malignant practices like carpet pulls and leave tricks. So Elon truly has been available for certainly lovely a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little, which essentially is very huge, which certainly is genuinely critical. What basically compels Dogelon Mars kind of special in an unpretentious manner in an essentially significant way. Dogelon Mars especially utilizes a clever, pretty kind of comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin in an especially huge manner in a sort of enormous manner. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the cosmic system and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home with the assistance of the companions he's made during his in a real sense goes through the stars. Extremely a few kind of short comics in a real sense are distributed on the coin's site that fundamentally basically follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he especially certainly meets companions and goes on experiences in an unpretentious manner in a for the most part enormous manner. Dogelon Mars doesn't explicitly have a guide fundamentally, yet rather fostered a dream rendition through its comics in a decently kind of significant manner, showing how that is to some degree a typical event for image coins, and financial backers really are very much encouraged pretty, especially because of for the most part a reasonable level of effort with generally secret coins to essentially try not to succumb to pernicious practices like carpet pulls and leave tricks. So Elon by and large has been available for certainly kind of a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick generally little, which generally is very critical, which sort of is very huge. After the recolonization of Mars in 2040-20, Dogelon will need to battle for fundamentally kind of endurance against the Annihilators, which generally is very huge, exhibiting how Zer9 walked 2024. In this we will for the most part walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination. For now or for the following week, and attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense, sort clarification on some things facts, what essentially basically is truly transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, especially as Elon a very wise interest in an especially enormous manner. This fantasized variant proposes that once the coin really is recorded on for all goals and purposes significant trades, the cost of Elon will sort of reach Mars, or in by and large fundamentally different words, it will exchange at a kind. Elon all